welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and why you haven't seen me recently is because I've actually been sick and we've had pink eye. So let's get started on this new makeup video. I think we're gonna start from the down, but we're not gonna do my lips. We're gonna do my cheeks first. Cause I don't know actually why we're gonna do my cheeks, but we're gonna go from down, starting up. Okay, get my blush. Like a fish. Okay, I think we're done with blush now. I can't really tell because my cheeks were actually red before. But we're gonna go ahead and do my highlighter. Okay, highlighter is done. Now we're gonna, I think we need to do my eyes next. I think we could either use this brush or we could use this one. Which one do you think I should use, guys? So I think I'm actually gonna use the blue one. I think I actually am going to use this one because it has more bright colors and Mother's Day is just tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna do a Mother's Day look today actually. That's the look that I'm trying to go for. So what kind of Mother's Day eyeshadow do you think I should use? I actually am gonna do something kind of natural. Whoa, it's so blue. I could like make a mermaid look, I feel like I'm making a mermaid look. Because this is very mermaid blue. Yes, it looks very blue mermaid. I'm a mermaid. Swimming in the water. Okay, I'm gonna do this eye again because I think I missed some things. Okay, I think I need a little bit more blue. There's Addie putting her makeup on. Perfect. Like okay, so you can actually see it kind of looks, the bottom kind of actually looks like this. So, okay, my eyes look very evil mermaid. I don't know why, but I kind of look like an evil mermaid, I think. Okay, so next up is my eyebrows, and I'm not doing my eyebrows because I've already tried that before. Do not try it at home. It's not very good. It does not work out for me very well. I think we're gonna go back to the lips. Okay, this one actually, I've actually tried. It makes your lips look a little bit weirder. Like you'll figure it out. Like it looks weird, I think. Okay, so look at this color on the lip thing, okay? And then watch. See, they sit like a little bit pinkish, too pinkish. Well, I like too pinkish. I'm not a very lip artist, I'm just not very good at it. Look at that, shimmery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.